My name's Brendan Hawes. I'm the Chief Operating Officer for Plungie. Plungie is a precast concrete pool manufacturer that originated here in Australia. We have a very strong concrete pool product that we can put on the back of a truck and ship to site. So the plunge pool is made in a factory setting and designed for any application, but predominantly for small lots in residential settings.
So my name is Vincent Adrait. I'm the General Manager of COREMATIC. The big learning in that project was because Plungie was a new industry for COREMATIC. We had to learn from the beginning what was the industry about and how they were building their pools. This gave us a big strength, I believe, because we had a fresh eyes on something new and we were able to help them to put the right steps and process in place.
We operate both here in Australia and also in the United States, and we've moved into the manufacturing sector, so we manufacture our own pools. So we were introduced to COREMATIC to look at the efficiency of our operation and to provide us with some insights into the lessons that we could change and adapt into our business from an automation perspective, but also from an efficiency perspective. And COREMATIC's been great for that.
I believe I was able to help on that specific project because of my analytical mindset. That gave me the ability to identify quick wins and efficiency towards the process of building plunge pools.
The team from COREMATIC were excellent in that they wanted to get their hands dirty. They appreciated the time constraints. We have a business to run as well, so there were days where they were very patient with their time and how we could use them. So it was a really good experience with us.
What was really exciting is that we start from day one with Plungie and we are now involved in their innovation journey. And that's really the purpose of COREMATIC, supporting businesses toward innovation.